In this video we're going to take a look at the two-gang switch or two single pole switch in the same enclosure and how they work. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe and leave a like. If I were to turn on the circuit breaker, you can see that there's voltage at the outlet, there's voltage at the bottom of the switch, and there's voltage available at one side on each lamp. And if I were to turn on one of the switches, you could follow the dots to see which way the current would run and how it works in the circuit. Now if I were to turn on the other switch, the other light would light up and you can follow the green dots to see how the current would run through that part of the circuit as well. So the green dots for one and the yellow for the other switch. Now there's no current running through the wires going to the electrical outlet, but if I were to connect something there, like the water boiler again, you would see how the current would run through that part of the circuit. If you like this kind of video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button.